Hello everyone, welcome back to YouTube channel MJ Manjari. In today's video, we are going to discuss important CBSE update for all school. Swachh Evam Harit Vidyalaya rating 26-27. In this video, we are going to see step-by-step process for participation. So now let's see in detail. So this is the official circular released by CBSE on 10th August 2026 with the subject Participation in Swachh Evam Harit Vidyalaya rating SHVR 26-27. It's a national program for promoting water, sanitation, hygiene, environmental sustainability and mission life initiative in school. All the government aided or private school can participate in this. Here majorly 6 theme area are there. First water, then toilet, then hand washing with soap, then operation and maintenance, behavior change and capacity building, and lastly mission life activity. So all the school are requested to do timely registration. They can register either through website or through mobile app, then complete self assessment process within the timeline, then nominate staff member to coordinate with SHVR activity and maintain required record and evidence, then encourage participation of student, teacher, school community in promoting cleanliness, sustainability and environmental responsible practices, and participate in orientation and capacity building program conducted by NCRT and others. Now, this is the official website I've already given in the description as well as in the comment section of this video, shvr.education.gov.in. So now let's go to this website. So this is the official website which I've already shown. Once you come on this page, you're going to get this. And here login option is there, which I will show at the end of this video. So if you scroll down, here everything they have detail mentioned, like what is SHVR, then why we should participate. So here most important thing, first they are going to assess school hygiene and sanitation status. Then they are going to identify hygiene gap and area of improvement, boost your school as clean and green. Then you will get your school rating as well as recognized, do gap analysis and planning. So all these 5 reasons why you should participate in this. And rating are like this: if your percentage come around 90 to 100, you are excellent, 5-star rating your school. Then if it is 75 to 89, your school is 4-star and it's very good. If rating is 51 to 74, then it's good, but there is scope for improvement and you are only 3-star. If it is 35 to 50, then it's fair and need improvement, 2-star. But if your school rating is below 35%, it's poor and need considerable improvement, it's single star. So these are the 5 ratings of Swachh Evam Harit Vidyalaya, and check where your school stands. Now let's see the timeline. So first submission of online has started on 1st August and it will end on 30 August. So kindly do all your registration before 30 September. Then second is assessment and evaluation of school. It will start on 1st October and end on 31st October. Then third stage is nomination of school for state and UT level. If your school is topper in state or UT level, then you will be nominated for further. Then step 4 is assessment and evaluation of a school at state level. Then you are going to be assessed in the state level competition. Then from there you will be nominated for national level. If your school is having the top percentage, then you may be nominated for national level. Then sixth stage is cross validation at national level. It will be from 16th December to 15th Feb. And final ceremony after 15th Feb, it will be national level ceremony where all the top school, national level school will be awarded with certificate of merit. Now, how it work? Complete process. So first you need to register using UDICE plus code. Then there are few information which you need to fill related to school. So complete the school profile, the second step. Then third step is answer the survey. So under all the 6 categories which I've told you, they are going to ask you multiple questions. So you need to complete those survey in all the 6 category. After completing the survey, you just submit your response and monitor the progress. So after submitting that, you can check the progress and you will get rated and recognized based on the response or survey. You are going to get rating, the percentage where your school stands, what percentage it had, and if it's best, then you may get recognized at national level or state level. Then here ratings video, there's some galleries are there. So like this activities also you need to conduct, hand wash, sanitizations, all. You can download the app also for this complete process. You can do it through this website or through app. So app is available in Google Play Store for Android as well as for Apple Store for iPhones. So you just need to scan this QR code. If you scan, automatically you will get the app. Complete all the registration and survey in app itself. As you can see here, this is the UDICE code, and here all the 6 categories are there and questions you need to answer. In app itself, you can answer all the questions. And here few FAQ, frequently asked question, which is important for you. Like, is it necessary to participate? So yes, it is necessary. So all school are encouraged to participate. And what's benefit? So it's a quick self-assessment against all these 6 categories where your school stands. So it will help in developing your school. Then second, how can a school sign up? So either go to this website or download the app. You can sign up using UDICE code, using OTP on your mobile, registered mobile, set password and click on sign up. With this, your sign up is completed. Then how school can log in? So school can log in using UDICE and password created. Then section A is primary information about school and section B is assessment category, and you need to upload photograph also. So there will be like your drinking area photograph, washroom area photographs, or you need to upload all those photographs and all. Can a school apply through web portal instead of app? Yes, it can be through both. So here partners of this are also NIC, NCRT and UNICEF. All are partnership. It's by Ministry of Education, Government of India. So now how to register? For that you need to go on top, which is login and sign up. So you just need to click it here. Now if you have already signed up previous year and all, you just need to enter your UDICE code, password, enter the captcha and click on sign in. If you have forgot the password, you just click on forget password. You will get OTP on your registered mobile number. If not, you can sign up also, and you can sign in using OTP also. So this sign up means you need to enter your school UDICE code itself. So let's see sign up form. So here, as you can see, for new schools who have not registered, this is a 5-step for sign up. You need to enter UDICE code, enter the captcha and click on continue button. So this was complete overview of participation in Swachh Evam Harit Vidyalaya rating 26-27. If you found this video helpful, please like the video, hype the video, share it with other teacher and school administrator, and subscribe to our channel for more CBSE update. And don't forget to check official website of SHVR for latest guideline and timeline. Thank you for watching. Jai Hind.